The US President's son, Hunter Biden, is on trial in the state of Delaware facing gun charges. He's accused of lying about using drugs when he purchased a handgun in 2018. North America correspondent Barbara Miller joins us from Wilmington, Delaware. Barbara, good morning to you. This is such an extraordinary story, the lead up to it, what was going on behind. I kind of wonder how they're going to handle it all in court. Tell us what happened today.
Well, first of all, of course, they have to select a jury, and we've just heard that a jury has now been selected in court. That's 12 jurors, 12 ordinary Americans who once again, just days after Donald Trump's historic conviction, will have to reach a verdict in what is also a legal first here, the first time the child of a sitting president has been criminally tried. Now, jurors were asked questions related to the current political climate, asked if they could be impartial in this crucial election year. They were also asked about their views about addiction. Hunter Biden's troubles with addiction, his descent into addiction is well documented, including in his own memoir. At least one potential juror became emotional when talking of addiction issues within their own family. We saw some very important guests here to witness the start of this trial. The First Lady, Jill Biden. Now, she's raised Hunter Biden since his own mother died in a car crash when he was a young boy. She arrived at court today to support her stepson. His sister, Ashley Biden, was also here. And Joe Biden, the president, trying not to make commentary on this case, but issuing a statement expressing love and support for his son and paying tribute to what Joe Biden said was Hunter Biden's resilience. So we have a jury now. We're just waiting for Hunter Biden to exit this courthouse. And when court resumes tomorrow local time, we expect opening arguments in this case.
And Barbara, they're suggesting it could last up to 2 weeks. So you talk about just having gone through the Donald Trump court scenes and the election ticking away ahead of us. What's the potential impact for a case like this on Joe Biden?
I think the timing of this could not be worse for Joe Biden. I mean, we have to make clear distinctions in these two cases. Hunter Biden is not charged with election interference. He is not running for elected office. But having just seen that verdict reached in New York, and Donald Trump has a long-running habit of talking about the Biden crime family, of making a topic out of Hunter Biden's troubles. So Republicans, with Donald Trump at the top of that chain, are going to make hay with this case. It's going to complicate what I think is already a complicated question for the Democrats, as how much do they focus on the fact that Donald Trump is now a convicted felon. As for his son, he's going to have details of his descent into addiction aired here in court. He's going to have details of his troubled personal life also aired in court. For example, we expect the widow of his brother, Beau Biden, who died with brain cancer, to testify. She was romantically involved with Hunter Biden at the time when he purchased this gun, and when he's alleged to have lied and said that he wasn't addicted to drugs at the time. And of course, for Hunter Biden and for the president, there's the prospect of jail time. In theory, he could face up to 25 years in jail on these three charges. And he's not done yet with this one, Lisa. He faces another criminal trial scheduled for September. That's on tax evasion charges in California. So it's all come at this very, very sensitive time, and it's going to be easier, I think, for the Republicans to work out their strategy on this than it is for the Democrats as we tick down to that election in November.